Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial lab. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create and print a professional looking brochure using Canva. It's perfect for promoting your business, services, or events. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Now, in the search bar, type in brochure and hit enter. You'll see a variety of templates, from bifold to trifold designs. You can start from scratch. To design it yourself, click on create. For this tutorial, I'll go with the trifold brochure since it's the most commonly used for business purposes. I'll use this template to redesign my brochure. Once the template opens, it's time to make it your own. You can click on any text box to change the headings, add your business name, services, contact info, or any relevant details. Let's go to ChatGPT and generate the content for our brochure. I want to create a real estate business promotional brochure. In ChatGPT, give all the details about your company, contact info, and other necessary information. I give a simple prompt. I want to create a real estate brochure and write all the necessary details, including information about us, our services or products, testimonials or statistics, a call to action, and contact details. ChatGPT immediately wrote us a beautiful content. Now, we will copy the entire text from here and put it in a Google Doc. Then from there, we will copy and paste the text of our design as needed. You can also write content through ChatGPT for your product, business or service, and use it in brochures or any other design. This will save your time and effort, and your work will get an administrative look. Great brochures are well organized. Make sure to include clear sections like About Us, our services or products, testimonials or statistics, call to action, contact details. This makes your brochure not just beautiful, but also functional and informative. Update images by clicking on them and selecting Replace, then upload your own or choose from Canva's free image library. You can also change colors to match your branding. Just click the elements or background and use the color tool to apply your brand colors. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to download it. Click on the Share button at the top right, then Download. Set the file type to PDF print, which is the best quality for printing. Also, check the box that says Crop Marks and Bleed. This ensures your brochure prints correctly with no white edges. Now that your brochure is downloaded, you can either print it at home, using high-quality paper and a color printer, or send it to a local print shop or an online printing service for a more professional finish. If you're printing at home, make sure to set the paper size and fold orientation correctly to match your design. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make your poster stand out even more. Tip number 1. Use high contrast colors. Make sure your text stands out against the background. High contrast like white text on a dark image is easier to read, especially from a distance. Tip number 2. Keep it simple. Avoid clutter. Highlight only the most important information like the event name, date, time, and location, or your product name and offer. Tip number 3. Use high-resolution images. Blurry images can ruin a great design. Use high-quality photos for a crisp and professional look when printed. Tip number 4. Add a QR code optional. If you want to link people to a website, social media, or registration form, add a QR code to your poster. You can create one for free and upload it to Canva. Tip number 5. Always preview before downloading. Zoom in and preview your poster in Canva's full screen mode to double-check spacing, typos, and alignment before you hit that download button. Follow these tips and your brochure will not only look great on screen, it'll turn heads in real life too. And that's it. That's how you create and print a brochure using Canva. Whether you're promoting your business, a nonprofit event, or an upcoming product launch, a great brochure can make a huge difference. Did this tutorial help you? Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Canva and design tutorials. See you in the next video.